welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about releases, new-ish releases from Louis Vuitton in the month of October. Some of the items I'll be talking about might be already in the store. Some of them will be released towards the end of the month, early in November. So there's gonna be a variety of everything, and as usual with the LV, some things get a little bizarre. So let's take a look at the sum of the October releases. Alright guys, I'm trying to be as organized as I can. I put everything like in an album. So I'm looking at the photos obviously on my cell phone, and it might be in not any particular order, so just bear with me. The first thing I want to talk about is the Teddy Monogram collection. Have you seen those? I mean, I want to laugh when I see those pictures, when I see those items, but I mean, they're kind of cute, but would you spend your money on it? Like, first of all, it's like very limited time when you can actually carry that stuff with that fur, and you know, but it is cute. It is cute. Let's just be honest. I like it. But I do not want to own it. I like it in a way that I think it's fun. And if I will have tons of money and didn't know what to do with my money, I'll probably buy something from that collection. Maybe that Neverfull? I don't know. But they have On The Go. They have a Keepall. It looks like they have a twist and you know it. The bucket bag, yeah, then you know it. On The Go, yeah, I mentioned On The Go. So yeah, I mean, very interesting collection. Why not? There's another item that I found. It's called I don't know, what is it called. Is this the double zip pochette with a little twist? I am not sure. But this is also coming in October, and that's also from the Teddy collection. Teddy collection. And also there is this hat that is just reminds me so much of the, what is it called, like the Russian kind of hat. You know, you can take this top part down, and you know, if it's super cold, it can cover your ears. And it's very cute if you live in a cold climate. That could be probably something, you know, that could be useful. I know, I think it's cute. I do have a picture here of the twist, and I do have a price of that handbag. That's $4,550. OMG, it's so expensive. So it's called the Teddy Twist MM. Yeah, it's definitely something. I know there's a lot of leather. It looks like this is all leather. Yeah, this is all leather with that, you know, with that fur, but whoo, the price is steep, my friends. The price is steep. And for those who like to have some kind of a charms, there's gonna be a little teddy bear. So cute, so cute. Again, it's from the Teddy collection. This is probably one of those more like collectible items, you know. Yeah, it's cute, but I wouldn't buy it. Okay, I see some Almas. So the Louis Vuitton will be coming up with the cruise collection, and you know, cruise collection is usually comes like you know, fall and winter, and they are usually very nice and bright colors. So Louis Vuitton will be coming up with some new colors with Alma. Those are the Almas, I believe, BBs. And I mean, look at the colors. Colors are amazing, and they have this thick strap with the LV print on it. I like it. Would I buy it? Probably not, because I'm not into the bright colors, but I do enjoy looking at it. I think it's really cute. If someone can pull it off, good for you. There will be also some shoes from the cruise collection as well. So yeah, looks cute. I'm not sure if that collection comes up in October. I think it's towards the end of October. But I might be wrong. And yeah, there's some sandals as well. So, you know, those are like the items that, yeah, I guess the colors of the shoes are matching the handbags. And I'm sure there's gonna be way more items than just this, but this is something that it will be coming up. There's also an Alma. I think it looks like an Alma MM, so, or PM. This is the bigger version, and this is the epi leather again with the big strap. This one I believe is also part of the cruise collection. So if you like Alma, I think Alma is classic, but I do own Alma and I never wear it, so I don't know, I never carry it. I don't know, maybe they're just trying to kind of update the look of the Alma, you know, just to kind of bring it back again. I mean, it's a classic handbag, right? Something that I think it's already at the store, and this is also a part of the cruise collection. So again, those items, some of them just come a little bit sooner, some will be coming a little bit later. But I mean, take a look, I'll pop the picture in here. It's amazing. I mean, this is like, it looks like it's a jeans kind of, I don't know, is it like a jean with the leather? So you have Neverfull, you have a Speedy, obviously, Pochette Métis, some shoes and cosmetic cases. What do you think? I already seen people carrying this, like on Instagram. They already have it, so I don't know, there's some kind of like earlier release or something, but I do like the look of it. I don't know the price exactly. I'm scared to learn the price. I feel like it's going to be super high up there, so it just might be a little bit too much, I have a feeling. Yes, but considering the fact that it's not going to be like fully leather, it looks like it's kind of a fabric jeans kind of thing. So yeah. All right, some random stuff. I think it's already in at the store. If you're a fan of the baseball cap, Louis Vuitton came up with some nice designs. It could be a great gift. I think like this one is something that is just, it's cool. I have the one with the beige, the picture of the beige, you can see it here, and with the black, and the monogram is on the top of the cap. I think it looks great. I like it. I think it's a great idea, and it would be a great Christmas gift as well, so why not? Yeah, you can spend $2,390 for a yoga mat from Louis Vuitton. This is something that it's again coming in October. To be honest with you, it's a little bit too much. All right, there is going to be a large, what is it called? The giant monogram print in leather. So we're gonna have a Keepall coming in October. Keepall 45, so you have those big imprints of LV throughout the handbag. I can only imagine how heavy this bag will be. I mean, it's a travel bag, but because it's leather and it's big, you know, it's Keepall 45. Yeah, I can only imagine how heavy it will be. The price is $3,700, so it is quite expensive. But you know, if you travel, let's say, lightly, and especially in the car, you can just throw it in the car and, you know, you can kind of feel a little fancy. I think it's beautiful, but it is expensive. Okay, new Almas BB that are coming up in October, might be already in the store, are so cute. Again, if you are, I feel like the Louis is doing a little spin of the new Almas, and these are like a vernis leather, and they are combined with the monogram, which is perfect because it's like all weather bag. I think it's ideal. So it's in this beautiful kind of a pink, you know, color, and then you're gonna have this kind of silver. It's like little metallic silver, and I like the combination of that vernis leather with the, you know, with the monogram. I think it's brilliant. So those are beautiful, and one side of the strap is monogram, another side of the strap is vernis, so obviously you can see it. I think it is vernis, am I right? Looks like it is vernis. It's very shiny, so I assuming it's the vernis. And the price for those Almas is $2,160, so you know, it's a little up there, but considering the fact that you're getting a leather, you know, that's probably a decent price. Another handbag that is coming up pretty soon is the twist top handle. So I've seen it in the black as well as this kind of a cream color, might be more colors. I like it. I think it looks very elegant, very beautiful. Also will have a strap, and the strap will be crossbody length. I think it's super elegant, to be honest with you. So if you are, you know, have a nice kind of like, you know, office kind of a work or seeing clients. I think it's beautiful, very elegant. And then I'm sure you guys all seen the LV point number 9. This is like a kind of a small crossbody bag. I don't really know how I feel about those handbags. I know they're already out there, but I don't know, they bring me so much vibe of the 70s. And I don't know, even like if you look at the models, the way they kind of styled them, you know, I don't know, those white pants, you know. I don't know, I just, what do you guys think? Do you like this point number 9? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this, so let's just move on. The next thing that it will be coming at the end of the month, so this is going to be, I believe, on the 30th of October. This is the new kind of card organizer, like a card holder, carte, I think they call it. So this is going to be monogram with the little leather strap on top. It's, again, this is one of those kind of accordion style when you can open up and just put your cards in there. They do have it, I believe, in the twist, and they did used to have in the monogram. I don't know if they still have it. That it was like a zipped around, if I'm not sure, if I'm yeah, and you could just kind of open up. I think they do have something, and they have a twist that you can kind of open up with the twist line. So it's kind of, you know, it's kind of similar, but yeah, so that will be coming up as well. And then I'm gonna pop pictures of a couple of scarves. Those are the ones that will be coming October, early November. I love pinks. I think they're beautiful, especially the one with the light pink. I do like it so much. And you know, I'm rocking my shawl today. This is just so great. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So yeah, some bandeaus and some big, you know, scarves will be there. So yeah, those are just like a couple of things that I have, you guys, that I wanted to share with you. And it feels like sometimes things are just coming very randomly. Some stores will have some items, other stores won't until, you know, like later in a month, or sometimes they push, you know, releasing of those collections. But yeah, my only complaint would be that the website is just, I think like they are not restocking things, or I don't know if people are buying so many things. I feel like it's just very low stock on things, and it's hard to get, you know, your hands on the particular items that, like, I'm looking for a nano, possibly, you know, the Nice Nano, which is the smallest one. And I'm still saving money for on the go, and I'm thinking, you know, let me know if you like on the go. But yeah, in the giant monogram, you know, reverse monogram, I think I like it in a size MM. So yeah, but I feel like every time I go on the website, if it was there, I would go for it. But it seems like it's just, yeah, impossible to buy. But yeah, anyway, those are just a couple of things that I wanted to highlight here. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Thank you so much. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Leave your comments down below as usual. I'm sure there's gonna be more things coming up, and there's more things in the store. So if you're lucky enough to leave, you know, to be kind of have a store near you, you probably, you know, you can see things coming out better even than me. But anyway, this is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.